To change the wallpaper on Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, first let's unlock our device and then swipe up our fingers so that we can find this gear icon right here. Click on it and then move to the band displays. And right here you'll be able to switch between different wallpapers for your device. Now when you browse through them and you select the one that you like, you can just click on it like that, and then that display should be applied to your device. There's also another way to change displays, and it gives you more customization options, and it's inside the My Fitness app. And when we open it, we can move to manage brand displays, and then just select whichever one you like again. You may need to download them, but in this case for this one I don't need to. I'm just applying it, and then our display will change.